So welcome back to my channel. So today in my video I am gonna tell you today what am I doing for improving my communication skill. Because when I talk with the people, so that time mostly people ask this types of question. What are you doing for improving your communication skill? So then decided I will explain for my audience, especially for those people who are learning, who decided to learn this language. So actually, because when you are the learner, you are the quite beginner. So firstly you have to listen. Okay, listening is the very important. While listening you can consume, you can try to copy to other. Okay, and mostly those people's videos try to listen. Okay, those people's videos, you can try to listen. Okay, who are the actually expert, because you can learn very easily and effectively English. As I believe on listening, because when you listen very effectively English, so you can make the habit of speak very perfectly in English. So then I am recognizing to you to listen for those people who are the actually very expert. And another thing you can try to speak. At least you have to speak up more, because when you get the time, so that time you have to speak up in front of people. Now it's a very easiest way to find the partner, because all the people has the mobile phone. So now you can create the environment according your time, according your circumstances, so then you can speak. Okay, so this is the method in initially days, because when I started my journey, so that time I focused only learning the grammar portion. But nowadays I realized that that time I put the wrong way of speaking. Why? Because that time I focused only learning grammar instead of listening and reading. Okay, so then sometimes I get very confused while explaining my point of view. Why? Because that time I translate into my native language. Okay, so that time I get very confused. Sometimes I make the wrong sentences. Okay, so it's a very wrong way of speaking. Because when you are the listener, so please, when you are the beginner, so please listen more and try to listen native speakers videos. Okay, okay, try to listen native speakers video. And yes, and that times, as I told you, as I am telling about my experience. So that time I focused only grammar. So that time, right now I feel like a very deficiency of translating and deficiency of knowing the knowledge backed in English. Okay, so please don't think. And another thing, you have to carry pick up to take the command, because when you have the good command of speaking, so even if you are taking the lots of time to have practice for maintaining. Okay, so yes, that's it. And another thing, you have to carry like a reading is the also important. Even if I talk about myself, so reading, I'm not a fond of readers, I am not bookish person. Okay, so that time I have the deficiency of vocabularies knowledge. Okay, so because of only deficiency of reading, so that time I don't have any knowledge of vocabulary. So you should read more, because when you have the lots of time of reading, uh, try to read more, so definitely you can build your vocabulary part. So please believe me, and it has been experience, so that's why I'm telling to you. And apply on the aspects of speaking. First one, watching, speaking, reading. Apart from writing is not an important part of speaking, according to me. According to me, as for my choice, as for my uh, in terms of me, in terms of me, it's not a good to write more. Okay, so yeah, please use all the aspects for improving or for speaking, and definitely you will be perfect, and believe me. So in the end, I once again I am telling to you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video, because your comment and your like is very important for me. So that time I get inspired a lot. Why? Receiving your comment. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.